Let's see if we have some additional contextual filter options now. I'm going to click Add, and now if I type in NID, you see we now have content NID. All right, so this is actually what we need. I'm going to check it just like we did in previous views and click Apply All Displays. The relationship is already selected here and we don't have any other options. The authored node is the one that gives us this option anyway. And just like before, we're going to have to provide a default view. Again, this is because our arguments aren't being passed at the end of the URL, it's being passed within the URL. The type here is going to be content ID from URL, and we can go ahead and click Apply All Displays. So now we have one field that we can use to test in a preview. So I'm going to scroll down and type in the node ID for one of the blog entries. In this site, 18 and 19 are both valid blog entries. You might need to pick different node IDs depending on if you'd played around a little bit with some other content. I'm going to click Update Preview, and if we scroll down, we see Jones Jones. If we type 19 and click Update Preview, we see Betty Davis. So these are the authors for those particular nodes.